Hi there, how's it going? I'm so glad you're here with me today on Speak Real English, the YouTube space where we focus on developing real American English fluency. My name is Layla Stella, and I'll be your guide as we dive deep into the sounds, rhythm, and natural flow of spoken English. Whether you're a beginner or someone who's been learning for a while, I truly believe that fluency is possible for everyone. Yes, even you. If you're ready to make progress and speak English more naturally, then you're in the right place. Let's go ahead and get started. Today I received a wonderful question from one of our awesome Speak Real English community members. Ella reached out with a pronunciation question that many learners struggle with. She asked, how do you pronounce words that contain the letters R, T, and H together, like in the words worth, north, and birth? Ella, thank you so much for asking this. It's a fantastic question, and you're definitely not the only one who finds these tricky. These types of words can be especially hard to master if your learning experience has been mostly through reading or studying from textbooks, rather than actually listening and practicing out loud. When it comes to learning words like these, the most effective method is to focus on the sounds rather than how the words are written. Our brains naturally want to read words based on spelling, but English is full of spelling pronunciation mismatches. Before we break down those 3 tricky words you mentioned, I want to let you know about something that could really support your learning journey. There's a platform called Verbling where you can practice one-on-one with qualified English teachers who are native speakers. It's a great opportunity to receive personalized coaching, and the best part is they're offering a free trial lesson to members of the Speak Real English audience. Just head over to the Mr. English YouTube channel and find the Verbling link to get started. Now, back to pronunciation. Let's talk about the structure of words that have the RTH letter group. There are actually quite a few words in English that follow this pattern, and while we can't cover every single one right now, I'll give you the tools to master the most common ones. I go into much greater depth on this in my premium Speak Real English course, where we focus heavily on pronunciation skills. So if you're enjoying this lesson and want to take things further, make sure to check it out on the Mr. English YouTube channel. What's important to understand here is the role of the vowel that comes just before the R. That vowel influences how you shape the sound of the whole word. And even though the spelling might change from word to word, the vowel sound before the RTH combination is usually the same. It's called an R-colored vowel, and it sounds like or you are. This is very common in American English, where we blend the vowel with the R sound to create something that's smooth and real. Let's look at the word worth. It's spelled with an O, but we don't say it with an O sound like with. Instead, we pronounce it like worth. Then we have birth. Even though it contains the letter I, we don't say beerth. Again, it sounds like birth. And finally, we have north. Interestingly, this word also fits the pattern and is pronounced exactly as it appears, with the same er sound in the middle. So you'll notice that regardless of the vowel spelling, the actual sound stays consistent. English learners often make the mistake of trying to pronounce each vowel based on how it's taught in the alphabet. You might think O should sound like O or I should sound like E, but in these cases, what you see isn't what you say. That's why it's so helpful to learn through listening and repeating instead of only reading. Try saying these words out loud right now: worth, birth, north. Can you hear that consistent or sound in all of them? It's subtle but powerful, and mastering this will make you sound much more natural when you speak. Now, if you really want to get serious about improving your pronunciation, I'd love for you to check out the Speak Real English Premium course. In that course, I go into great detail about mouth positioning, tongue placement, and how to physically shape each sound so you can reproduce them easily. Pronunciation is about sound and movement. Your tongue, lips, and jaw work together like a team to create every word, and once you understand how to use them correctly, it becomes much easier to speak clearly and confidently. So for now, let's practice these 3 words again. Worth, birth, north. Try repeating them several times, slowly at first, and then gradually more smoothly. You can even record yourself and compare your pronunciation to mine. This kind of practice is extremely effective because it builds awareness and muscle memory. Thanks again for joining me today. I hope you're finding these lessons useful, and I'd love to know what you think. Drop a comment below and let me know if this explanation helped you, or if there are other words or sounds you'd like me to cover in the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future tips. I'm always excited to help you speak more like a native speaker and build confidence in your communication skills. I'll talk to you again very soon in the next lesson. Until then, take care and keep practicing.